Hi, I'm Shane and I'm a beekeeper and I'm based in Builth, Wales, and I run the Bee Welsh Honey Company. I've always shown honey at the Royal Welsh Show at Llewelyn, and I've always known that Welsh honey, if produced correctly, wildflower honey, is some of the best in the world, and this I've proven by going up to the National Honey Show in London and winning several awards and Blue Ribbon awards. But my home ground is Builth, Wales, and my home is always the Royal Welsh Show ground. I've won the Best in Show several years at the Royal Welsh Show, and each year I say, oh, I'm never doing this again, but I'm afraid I got bit by the bug of showing when I was actually 12, and I haven't stopped since. The support from Llewelyn has been very beneficial to me, and without Llewelyn, really I probably wouldn't have gone down the route of the Bee Welsh Honey Company at all, but I'm extremely proud that I have, because that's turning into my sole business and job really now. Llewelyn has encouraged me, focused me down the correct routes, finding designers, the printers, and been a great deal of support to me really, and finding me food outlets as well to supply my honey. Because before I got involved with Llewelyn, there was no branding to my business. I wanted the product to be noticeable, that it was its own brand, but noticeable it was Welsh as well, which was very important to me. The opportunity arose for me to first appear at the Royal Welsh Show in the food hall was 3 years ago, when I bumped into Tav from Llewelyn in the food hall promoting Welsh honey with a fellow beekeeper, and asked what the whole system was about. Harv explains it is to promote and produce more, to encourage bigger production of Welsh honey in Wales. So luckily Harv took me under her wing, so to speak, and that following July I had a stall to promote Welsh honey in the food hall. I started beekeeping when I was 12, not sure how it came about to be honest, but much to my parents' dismay, a hive of bees turned up there one weekend from a fellow beekeeper. So between now, obviously I'm getting on a bit, I've nearly been keeping bees 30 years. Between that time, over the years, I've slowly built up and currently running around 100-ish hives, perhaps a few more. But it's a busy job, it keeps me out of trouble.